we are going to be making one of my favorite go-to post-workout smoothies. It tastes like you're eating a cinnamon roll, and everybody loves cinnamon rolls. We are going to call it the Golden Cinnamon Roll Smoothie. That's what we're calling it. Now, what makes this a post-workout smoothie as opposed to another kind of meal replacement shake you can have throughout the day? It's a type of protein that you're using. So post-workout, you always want to use an isolate protein because it is quicker digesting. Now, if you're baking, you don't want to use an isolate protein. It's going to taste very dry, not going to be good. Or if you're doing this as a meal replacement throughout the day, just switch to a blend of different proteins instead, like the Best Protein. They all have different absorption rates. It's going to help keep you full longer. So first thing you want to do is take a blender cup. I have had Magic Bullets, NutriBullets, I have a Vitamix. I've had plenty of them. As long as it blends, it's going to be just fine. First thing you're going to want to do is take a cup of almond milk. I'm going to assume it's a cup. I never really measure things. You guys know this. I'm just going to pour that in. Next, I am going to take 1 scoop of my ISO HD. This is vanilla cookie flavor. Dump that in there. I'm also going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, cinnamon, and kind of just sprinkle that in there. Also going to take turmeric, which is an amazing anti-inflammatory just like cinnamon. And I'm also just going to sprinkle that in there. A 1/4 cup of quick oats. I'm going to take 1 frozen banana and add that to it as well. It's usually nice if the bananas are frozen because it just eliminates the need to put a bunch of ice in it, which can just make it clumpy and kind of take away from the taste. I'm also going to add the golden ingredient, pun fully intended, golden raisins. I'm just going to take a handful of them and kind of add that in there. This is going to give you that nice sweet taste. And then all we're going to do is put a cap on and blend it up. And the NutriBullet magically appears. All right, so we're going to take the top, screw it on, and blend away. And that's about it. Your golden cinnamon roll smoothie, super delicious.